find someone that has such a magnanimous personality.
Enigmatic, charismatic, magnetic. He's an unrelenting man for a passion for more and more.
I'm the most good-looking 43-year-old man in the world.
That's Shah Rukh Khan, aka King Khan, जो आज रिस्पेक्ट और लॉयल्टी डिमांड नहीं कमांड करते हैं.
I don't even know if I'm a big star yet.
Right. तभी तो टीवी हो या फिल्म्स, एड्स हो या होर्डिंग्स, जहाँ देखो वहाँ मिलता है शाहरुख. ये बंदा तो रुकता ही नहीं. He gets bigger by the day and richer by the minute.
मैं आजकल स्ट्रॉन्ग भी तो मार भी सकता हूँ.
MTV presents the fabulous life of the man with the Midas touch, Shah Rukh Khan.
ರಂಬಾ ಎನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಟಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಮುನೆದಾರ್ 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 ಎನ್ನ ರಾಸಗಳ.
How about we start with the fact that in the fiscal year 2007-2008, actor turned businessman Shah Rukh was the highest taxpayer, and to be precise, he paid only 27 crores. And that was the advance tax. So let's track back from the taxes he paid to the money he made.
He's an actor passionately, but he's an entrepreneur at heart as well.
Extremely astute. I think he's a very, very smart businessman.
Shah Rukh sets goals for himself and then works backwards.
बादशाह की फिल्मों ने आज तक 2000 करोड़ से ज्यादा बनाए in terms of revenues. The man charges a humble 5 to 8 crores per film. और उनकी सब फिल्म्स मिलाकर it's safe to say that सिर्फ फिल्मों से उनका इनकम 200 करोड़ से ऊपर है.
I don't know if I have commercialized acting, but I know for a fact that a lot of people will want to act after they see what I do.
लेकिन SRK का रॉयल बैंक बैलेंस फिल्मों से ज्यादा एंडोर्समेंट्स के थ्रू मल्टीप्लाई होता है. सालाना 150 करोड़ से ज्यादा.
Today it's become fashionable. Everybody is wanting it. Everybody is killing each other to get an ad here and there, simply because this man has brought it completely back into fashion.
AdWorld's Bazigar SRK endorses Pepsi, ICICI, Airtel, Tag Heuer, Compaq, Central, Nokia, ITC, and many more. Wanna talk numbers? कुछ 7 करोड़ रुपए पर endorsement, जिसके लिए SRK देते हैं 3 days of his precious time each. So hypothetically, if SRK decides to do just ads with the 39 brands he endorses, he'd make over 273 crores in just 3 months. इसे कहते हैं fantastic alternate career. But that's not all, cause SRK's moves also make millions. कैसे? Steel billionaire Lakshmi Mittal ने अपनी बेटी की शादी पे SRK को invite किया for a little song and dance routine, adding an approximate 2.4 crore rupees to the Khan's kitty.
I was very clear that anything that is peripheral or an offshoot of me becoming an actor or a star, I would utilize to earn money from.
अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं SRK के जैसे fantastically successful, तो pick. Because coming up is a quickie on SRK's stellar trade secrets. MTV style, of course. 1. SRK है part of the Yash Raj camp and a very big part of it. Plus, अगर करण जौहर जैसे बॉलीवुड bigwigs हो आपके खास दोस्त, you can't ever go wrong. 2. आत्मविश्वास, Khan style. Believe in yourself. He is the best and he knows it.
I would say when I'm good, I'm good. When I'm bad, I'm excellent.
3. Lend your name to almost everything under the sun, from products to international shows, जैसे The Temptation Store. SRK को मिलते हैं 40 करोड़ से ज्यादा for performing in 25 cities globally in 1 year. SRK says, I'm wealthy because I work fast and earn fast. तभी तो क्विक टीवी शोज करके फास्ट मनी बनाया शाहरुख ने. कहा जाता है कि केबीसी और 5वीं पास से उन्हें मिले कुछ 110 करोड़ रुपए.
किस्मत चल पड़ी है तब चल पड़ी है.
और फिर ऑफ कोर्स है SRK का Red Chillies Entertainment.
Red Chillies so far has been a very successful company.
That's right. सिर्फ ओम शांति ओम ने आज तक बनाए कुछ 160 crores and counting.
Red Chillies, I think, started with a humble beginning, and today it's actually boomeranging into a big commercial entity.